you see somebody cute and you try to walk past all cool, but you look like this?
I broke up with my ex-girl. Here's a number. Psych! That's the wrong number!
What are you doing in my swamp?
How can I get my crush to ask me out? Well, you know how everyone always says be yourself? Well, don't do that.
It's a beautiful day outside.
Not as beautiful as me.
Boy.
Why you bully me?
If there's one thing in this house I know how to do, it's how to cook, alright? What are you making, fire over there?
Why are we still here?